Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable your microphone in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely powered on and fully loaded. You'll want to wait until everything has finished starting up before proceeding with the next steps. Once your PC is ready and you're at your desktop, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the Windows icon, which is your Start menu. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Control Panel and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Control Panel window, which gives you access to various system settings and configurations. Inside the Control Panel, you'll need to locate the Sound Settings option. Take a moment to scan through the available options and click on Sound when you find it. This is where Windows manages all your audio devices, including both output devices like speakers and input devices like microphones. A new sound configuration window will pop up on your screen. At the top of this sound window, you'll notice several tabs. Navigate to and click on the Recording tab. This particular tab is important because it houses all the microphone devices connected to your computer, whether they're built-in laptop microphones, external USB mics, or headset microphones. Now, within the Recording tab, look through the list of devices displayed. You should see your microphone listed there, usually identified by its brand name or device model. For example, it might say something like Realtek microphone, USB microphone, or headset microphone. Once you've identified the microphone you want to enable, right-click on that device. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Enable. This action will activate your microphone and make it available for use in Windows 11 and all your applications. And that's it. Your microphone is now enabled and ready to capture audio for video calls, voice recordings, or any other applications that require microphone access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.